WinPlus has an option which enables text to be automatically formatted to match that of the presenter instruction settings. This is especially useful when not using a newsroom connection for scripts. To enable the option, in the main toolbar, click Settings, Preferences, Run Order Import, and check Convert Lines starting // to instruction. This can be applied when importing a doc, docx, or txt file, when typing or copy-pasting into the story editor, and when importing from a newsroom. For example, this is my current presenter instruction settings. If I add a new line in the story editor and add // at the start, the text will be converted to an instruction with those settings. Here's an example of a copy and paste from a docx with the // included. Any changes made to the instruction text formatting will be immediately applied to the script. In this case, the option to invert instructions is selected.